Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing a first impressions using the Garnier Fructis 1-minute hair mask that everyone has been raving about recently. So I'll specifically be using the Goji, I believe, extract, and this one is for color Vibrancy. Now, I was a bit weary on whether or not this would work for my hair because I didn't realize how thin and lightweight the consistency was, but it does smell so good, you guys, and they do have a few others. They have the Papaya extract, and that one is for damage repairing, the Avocado extract, and that's for smoothing, banana extract, that's for strengthening, and then they also have a coconut one for nourishing, but I didn't get that one because I just feel like coconut is so played out now. So I did already shampoo my hair and I'm just re-wetting this section so that it's nice and wet when I add the hair mask. And all of these products are vegan and they are silicone free, paraben free, and free of artificial colors. So when I added my first little scoop, and this is a 3.4 fluid ounce, so it's pretty small, you guys. I know they do have the bigger sizes now, but I did get these when they had first came out, only with the small ones. But like I was saying, I added my first little scoop, and for this to be a 1-minute hair mask, you would think that it is just super duper moisturizing, but like I said, the consistency was so thin. When I first applied it, I was just like, it's not bad, but I don't know if I love it. So I had to add, I think I added 3 scoops on each side, and once I started applying more of the product, that's when I definitely started feeling that my hair was becoming more and more moisturized. So now this is kind of like a 3-in-1 product. You can use it as a mask, a conditioner, and a leave-in. I personally would only use it as a mask or conditioner. As a leave-in, it's definitely too thin and lightweight and I would have to pair it with something. So yeah, I definitely would just use it as a mask or conditioner. Now, something I really loved about this product is it had a lot of slip, which I wasn't expecting either. I was just like, I'm probably gonna have a hard time detangling, but no, I detangled my hair very easily, so this has amazing slip, which is definitely something I always look for in a mask. Now I did go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I wet it, then started adding my scoops of the product, and I did just want to show you that the slip is so good that I was able to finger detangle if I wanted to, but I don't know why I'm so obsessed with my wide tooth comb. But yeah, the slip was super good. Now if you do have much thicker hair than me, I feel like you would definitely probably use most of this hair mask, or if you're just very heavy-handed. Now I took about 3 scoops for each side. I don't need a ton of product to really coat my hair, so I probably could get about 2 more uses out of this. But yeah, if you have much thicker hair, then you probably would want to try and find that bigger size. So once I rinsed my hair was left soft, manageable, and it smelled super good. This product really reminds me of the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. If you guys have ever used that, that used to be my holy grail. So I know everybody's been raving about this product, and it holds true for my hair. Once I figured out that I needed to use quite a bit more product, then it definitely worked super good for my hair. My hair just felt so soft, you guys. So definitely give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.